These are 5 amazing idea shots with your Insta360 and how to edit them. I'm your host Mauro and let's get straight into it. First idea shot. Use your extended edition selfie stick and extend your reach, getting amazing beautiful scenarios that surround your destination. Whether you are on a camping adventure, fun walk or spider drive, you are all covered. Reach for that shot that you always wanted to. The selfie stick will be automatically erased by the Insta360. Number 2. Deep track your shots. Inside your Insta360 app on your phone or your Insta360 Studio desktop app, select the deep tracking function. It will be tracked and always in the center of your frame. Yes, it's working amazingly well. Whether a person walks, car drives, or actually an airplane flies. Use your Insta360 X3 with your bike mount and Unicore extension. Get amazing POV versions of yourself at 4-year-old. Inside the app, select the viewfinder mode to enlarge or tighten the aspect view of your cycle. Get to a tiny world effect while your stone drives, sliding to the right. If you're an off-road adventurer, vacuum mount your Insta360 X3 on your car. Or the wheel arch mount for amazing tire off-road look. Bonnet mount for a 360 driving off-road experience. B-pillar mount for that amazing views. In the app, select the point of view with the plus button, selecting the time frames and the point of view selected. You will get much more immersive videos for the viewer. If you want your own color correction applied and you are a color grading master, there is an log profile built in. It will give you the flattest image possible with the great dynamic range. In the settings menu, swipe left and select log. Great to match other cameras in your production and make your grading stand out. There you go, 5 amazing idea shots with your Insta360 X3. Thanks for watching.